ACBR is a premium institute functioning remarkably under the umbrella of University of Delhi. It has contributed immensely to field of biomedical research and organizing events like FBR series as another feather in its cap. We, the first year students of MSc Biomedical Sciences, are a batch of 58 students, and through this video, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the faculty members and the organizing team who managed to organize this event so gracefully through the virtual mode. We reckon that the physical mode would have added an unexplained glory and charm to its events. However, the organizers made sure that even being distanced miles apart, the interaction with the eminent speakers was never beyond our reach. We hope that next year's event would be equally enlightening and inspiring, where we wish to contribute wholly from helping to organizing the event to having physically interactive talks with the speakers. Hence, on behalf of their classmates, here are 3 students sharing their experience with you all. So presenting Nilesh, Varnika and Shivani and their views on the FBR series.
Hello everyone, this is Nilesh. I'm a first year master student at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Center for Biomedical Research.
I am Varnika Khattar from MSc first year.
Hi, this is Shivani Panchal from MSc Biomedical Sciences first year student.
This was my first time attending the Frontiers in Biomedical Research lecture series. I must tell you that it was a wonderful experience attending all those lectures from the scientists, not only from India but also from the other countries. The lectures by the scientists were really impactful and enlightening.
It was a great opportunity for us all because we were able to connect to the eminent scientists not only from India but from all over the world.
FBR was one of the paramount scientific events which I have ever attended in my life. When it was announced, I was really excited to listen the eminent speakers. There were speakers from various institutions like NII, IGIB, IITs and Kingston University.
The most amazing thing about this year's FBR series was that it was so much diverse and was also inclusive of lectures on breathing and yoga.
I personally got to learn a lot from this series. And talking about my favorite topic of discussion, it was the one where we talked about vaccine development and the development of antimicrobials for gonorrhea and also for the coronavirus. And all the lectures were amazing and they were really good.
Talking about my favorite topic of interest, as the event included diverse array of talks and each and every talk was very unique, from basic science to hot topics like artificial intelligence. But the talk by Professor Laurie Sindner on genomic evidence of sharing and competition in Neisseria species was very fascinating. All the speakers were very informative.
Although I liked every single lecture from the FBR series, but to name few of my favorites, I would probably say a lecture on antimicrobials and vaccine by Dr. Myron for gonorrhea and clinical proteomics lecture by Dr. Sen Gupta were few of my favorites.
At last, I want to say a big thanks to all the organizers and to all the eminent speakers for giving us insights about the research going on in their fields. And I can say that this event has inclined me more towards research.
I would like to thank my department and all the teachers and the coordinators for organizing this FBR series. And all the speakers they were so good and knowledgeable and they delivered such impactful lectures and talks that it has inspired me even more to pursue research. And I think that it has built that scientific attitude in me that is required to be a researcher.
I'm really thankful to my teachers, Dr. Meenakshi and Dr. Aparna, for giving me this opportunity to talk about this year's FBR series, and also congratulate them for organizing such a successful event. I'm also thankful to all the scientists who gave their talks during the FBR series.
All in all, it was a great series and I'm really looking forward to more such events being organized in our department. And thanks a lot for this opportunity once again.